In this video, I noticed that my system drive is running low on storage. I only have about 25 gigabytes of free space, which is roughly 22% of the drive. When your Windows drive gets too full, it can affect your system's overall performance. So today, I'm going to free up some disk space. First, I want to find out which files and folders are taking up the most storage. For that, I'm using WizTree. It scans the drive and sorts all files and folders by size, making it easy to identify what's using the most disk space. According to the WizTree scan, the CapCut folder, specifically the apps folder, is taking up a significant amount of disk space. Let's take a closer look at this folder. We'll open it in Windows File Explorer and see what's inside. Inside the apps folder, you'll notice multiple subfolders, each named after a different version of CapCut. Before deleting anything, let's first open CapCut and check which version is currently installed. This is important to make sure we don't accidentally remove the version that's actually in use. Once we've confirmed the current version, go back to the apps folder and delete all of the older version folders. Keep only the folder that matches the version currently installed, along with the files located outside the version folders, such as capcut.exe, uninst.exe, configure.ini, and productinfo.xml. Removing these old version folders can free up a significant amount of disk space without affecting your current CapCut installation. After removing the old version folders, the available disk space increased dramatically. My free space went from 25 gigabytes, or about 22%, to 62 gigabytes, which is approximately 55% of the drive. That's an increase of 33 percentage points in available storage, giving Windows much more room to run smoothly and improving overall system performance. To make sure everything is working properly, simply launch CapCut as you normally would. If it opens and runs without any issues, then the cleanup was successful. If you'd like to free up even more disk space, you can also clear the CapCut cache. This removes temporary files that are no longer needed and can help recover additional storage without affecting your projects. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.